Hello subscriber. Today we are with a new technical video about the question and answers. How tube light circuit is connected and how it does works. And in this video I have also explained about what is the importance of a choke in a tube light circuit. Before I am starting my topic, please keep subscribe and support to the technical engineering and also press the bell icon to get the daily notification about the technical new videos and updated about the techniques of engineering. So today we are with a new technical how a tube light circuit is connected and how it does works. A choke is connected in a one end of the tube light and a starter is in a series with the circuit. When supply is provided to the starter will interrupt the supply cycle of AC. Due to the sudden changes of supply, the choke will generate around 1000 volts. This volt will be capable to break the electrons inside the tube to make an electron flow. Once the current passes through a tube, the starter circuit will be out of the part. Now there is no change of a supply causes a choke voltage normalize and act as a minimize the current. Means when tube light has been started, then its current will be minimized. And the main function of a choke in this tube light or a designing circuit is to ionize that sulfuric acid which has been filled in a tube to glow properly. Means needed a high voltage to strike on it. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe and support the technical engineering. If you have a need any topic about the electrical system, please comment below. I will be provide as soon as possible. Thank you.